name is Luwiza Makukula from Zambia. I work for Community Initiative for TB, HIV and Malaria, and I'm a TB survivor. I was married for 13 years and I lost my husband in 2001. Thereafter, I started getting sick. I had persistent fevers, I had optimistic infections, and then I went to the hospital for a checkup, and I was diagnosed HIV positive in 2002. And in the same year, I suffered from TB. Life was not easy because I'd lost my memory. I could not work. I could not walk. I was literally on a wheelchair. I stayed in the hospital for about 4 months, and that time treatment was very expensive in Zambia. We used to buy the drugs, but I had the support from my family members who used to help me to buy those drugs. And fortunately, I only managed to buy those drugs for 4 months. Then, with the help of the Global Fund, our government introduced free treatment. At the time I started my antiviral treatment, I remember very well, I used to buy drugs for about 1.5 million, which was equivalent to about $200 per month. And then you can imagine, in a family, I had my brothers who died from the same disease, but at that time we did not know. If it was a situation where we knew that this is the disease they had also, they all had TB and HIV, I don't think even family members could have managed to take care of us, because even me alone, they used to struggle. But I'm still thankful. That's why I always say I'm thankful to Global Fund, because to date I could not even stand and talk. Because I remember when I was in the hospital, people would come to the hospital and say, I don't think we're going to find Luwiza tomorrow. You know, they had given up hope because my CD4 count was as low as 50. And you know, when the CD4 count is that low, it means your immunity system is very, very bad. But what saved me was the will I had a will to live. I looked at my children. I said, if I die today, who's going to take care of my children? I was like a mother, a father to them. They depended on me, and that made me strong. And I am what I am today. I'm a happy grandmother, which I'd never thought I would even reach at this stage and be called a grandmother. I'm among the 1,000 people who have been saved by Global Fund, and I'm also accounted among those people. I'm very thankful to that.